friends. I am Dr. Vikas Verma, and today I am talking about Mukesh. Mukesh was an unfortunate man who met with an accident around 2 years ago. And after operating on his leg, he developed severe infection. Despite of every treatment, his infection was not going to control. And his doctors referred him to me. But due to appearance of Ilizarov film, he afraid so much and he ran away from our clinic. With the time, his leg condition was going to worsen, and he again consulted to us. After consultation, we planned for Ilizarov again, remove his nail from his leg, and remove all the necrotic and dead bone from that side. After the complete treatment of 6 months, during this treatment, we developed and gained 6 centimeters of new bone from normal side of that leg. After 6 months of guided and comprehensive treatment, Mukesh again returned to his normal life. Now he is doing very well in his hospital and live happily.